Hi, welcome to Jetson. We're going to show you how to set up your new Jetson Haze Electric Bike. Let's get started. Find a clear area to work in. Place everything that came in the box carefully onto the floor for assembling. While removing the packaging materials from your bike, take care not to damage the frame. Find the included tools you'll need and place them to one side. To unfold the haze, swing the handlebar and the front tire forward. To lock the frame in place, press the latch until it clicks and is securely closed. Lift the handlebar stem and rotate the stem until it's in line with the front fender. Lift and press the stem folding latch until it clicks into the locked position. Find the pedal marked R for right. Twist it in a clockwise direction into the right crank arm. Find the pedal marked L for left. The left pedal is reverse threaded, so it's important to remember to twist this in a counterclockwise direction into the left crank arm. Using the wrench, tighten both pedals so they are secure. Fold the pedals by pulling them down until they snap into place. To attach the handlebar, open the clamp. Unscrew the pre-attached bolt and remove the clamp latch, curved washer, flat washer, and bolt. Slide the clamp top off the clamp base. Position the handlebar at the base of the clamp. Make sure it's in the correct way with the throttle on your right side. Slide the clamp top back onto the base. Tighten with the clamp latch, curved washer, flat washer, and bolt. Push the clamp down into the locked position. To attach the Jetson Haze's seat, open the clamp and slide the seat post in. Make sure the seat post reaches the minimum insertion line. Tighten and close the clamp to lock. To power on the Jetson Haze, first turn on the master switch on the battery, and then use the power button on the handlebars. To remove the battery, first make sure the battery is turned off. Open the Jetson Haze's frame, unlock the battery compartment using the included key. Slowly pull out the battery pack. When replacing the battery, make sure the battery lines up with the internal plugs. You can charge the battery both when installed in the bike or when it's removed from the bike. Don't turn on the Jetson Haze while it's charging. A red light means the Jetson Haze is still charging. A green light means charging is complete. It takes up to 5 hours to charge the Jetson Haze. Always remove the charger to avoid damaging the battery once the bike is fully charged. To lock the rear wheel, open the lock cap. Push the locking mechanism through the rear wheel disc. Heads up, you may need to rotate the rear wheel in order to line the holes up properly. To unlock, insert the key and turn it clockwise. Pump up your tires to 35 psi using the included air pump. Press the power button to turn the Jetson Haze on and off. Hold down the multifunctional cruise control and light button for 3 to 4 seconds to turn the headlights on and off. Slide the speed mode switch left and right to change the speed mode. To use pedal assist, select the speed mode you'd like to ride. The motor will supplement your pedaling to help you hit your selected speed. To use the twist throttle, gently twist. To use the handbrake, gently squeeze. The left handbrake controls the front wheel brake, and the right handbrake controls the rear wheel brake. Test the brakes to make sure the lines are taut and effective prior to riding. The rear tail light will blink when the brakes are engaged. First, fold the pedals. Unlock the stem folding latch and lower the handlebar. Push the tab forward and open the latch. Fold the front wheel towards the rear wheel, making sure the magnet pads are aligned. Now you can stand up the Jetson Haze on its bike stand. If you have any problems, please contact ridejetson.com/support.
Enjoy and happy riding!